Dear students, in our today's lecture, we will study about the properties of a mixture of ideal gases. So, as we have studied in our last class about PVT relationship, in which we have studied about Dalton's law of additive pressure as well as the Amigot-Dirac law. Now, we will study some properties here. These are the property of the gas mixture. So, different property are the gas constant, molecular weight, then enthalpy, entropy, specific, etc. So we will study this property here. So actually, I will share you the notes I have already done there, but I will explain you here in the another page. So the first property of the gas mixtures we are going to take, it is the gas constant. So properties of mixture of ideal gases. So here there are different properties. First property we are going to take is the gas constant. So, suppose there is a mixture of ideal gases, then for the mixture, we can write the gas equation. So, for the mixture of ideal gases, from gas equation, this is written as PV equal to MRT. Suppose it is equation number 1. This is the mixture of ideal gases from gas equation. Here PV pressure volume, M is the mass of the mixture, R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature for the mixture. Because this mixture contains the different gases like A, B, C, D, E, etc. So for the constant gases, we can write in a similar way. So for the gas A, we can write this will be PA V. Now for the gas A, that its mass is Ma, its gas constant is Ra, and T is the temperature. So this is the equation for the gas A from the gas equation. Similarly, for the gas B, equation can be written as PBV equal to MB RBT. For the gas C, and similar way we can write for the gas K, PKV equal to mk rkt. These are the equations for the constant gases. Now we know that P, which is the pressure of the mixture or total pressure of the mixture, is equal to PA plus PB plus PC plus Pk, summation of the partial pressures of the constant gases. So we will add all these equations. So adding constant gas equations, constant gas equations, we get on adding these equations, we can write this is Pa plus Pb plus Pc plus Pk, because this V is common and here T is common, so we can write on the right hand side MARA plus MBRB plus MCRC plus MKRK and T is common, so I can write here 60. Now, because this summation Pa plus Pb plus Pc up to Pk is equal to P, so this can be written as Pv equal to MARA plus MBRB and so on plus MKRK and here the P. Now suppose this is equation number 2. So now we will compare equation 1 and 2. The equation 1 is for the mixture, which is Pv equal to mRT. This is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So comparing or from equation 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get, देखिए 1 और 2 में क्या है आपका पीवी इक्वल टू वहां पर एम आर टी है, तो वी कैन राइट एम आर टी, दिस इज इक्वल टू एम आर टी, दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस इज एम ए आर ए प्लस एम बी आर बी and so on plus MKRK, and this is T, so T will be cancelled out here from both the sides. Now divide this equation by M, so then we can write R is equal to, we divide it by M, it will become MA by MRA plus MB by MRB plus MK by M R K. So actually this R will be equal to, now here Ma by M, this is called as the mass fraction. This can be written as by A. So this is by A RA plus by BRB plus and so on by KRK, and that can be written as the summation of I equal to A to K YI RI. So this is the general form of the equation we have got for the mixture of perfect gases. Actually, here we have shown the expression for the gas constant, which is the R. So R can be written is in this form: R is equal to YARA plus YBRB plus YK up to YKRK. So actually, it indicates that the gas constant for the mixture of perfect gases is the sum of the products of the mass fraction and the gas constant of the individual gases. मीन्स हमारा जो मिक्सचर है, मिक्सचर के लिए गैस कांस्टेंट निकालते हैं तो क्या होगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट गैस के लिए उसका मास फ्रैक्शन है और गैस कांस्टेंट है उनके प्रोडक्ट के समेशन के इक्वल होगा. दिस वी हैव गॉट. Okay. Now we are going to take the second term, which is called as the molecular weight. The second is molecular weight. Molecular weight for the mixture is written as capital M for the mixture. Okay. Now there is some relation between the mass and molecular weight. So as we know that small m, which is the mass of mixture, is the product of number of moles of the mixture multiplied by the molecular weight of the mixture. M is the mass of the mixture, N is the number of moles of the mixture, and M is the molecular weight of the mixture. Suppose this is equation number 1. Sometimes we also represent this M is equal to M by N. From the equation 1, we can also write capital M equal to M by N, and this M is written as summation Mi upon summation Ni. Here summation Mi means the mass of all the constant gases, and summation Ni indicates the masses of moles of the all the constant gases. So in either way we can represent. Okay. So this is the equation 1, which is represent the mass of the mixture in terms of the molecular weight. Similarly, for constant gases, for constituent gases, we can write, suppose for gas A, so this is Ma, and this Ma will be equal to number of moles of that gas is Na into molecular weight of the gas is Ma. For the gas B, we can write Mb is equal to Nb into molecular weight of the gas B, Mb, and so on. For the kth number of gas, Mk will be equal to Nk and molecular weight Mk. So adding all these terms, on adding, because in the mixture total mass of the mixture M equal to Ma plus Mb plus Mc, etc. So we are adding, and we can write Ma plus Mb plus Mc plus Mk. Summation of the masses, this we have taken the left hand side, and that will be equal to On the right hand side, NAMA plus NBMB, NBMB, and so on, plus NKMK, NKMK. So actually, this is the mass. This is called as the M. This summation is called the M. So M is equal to NAMA plus NBMB plus and so on NKMK. Suppose this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now we will compare equation number 1 and 2. Both are having the masses. So from equation 1 and 2 here, equations 1 and 2, we get, कंपेयर करेंगे तो वन में हमारा m इक्वल टू एन इंटू एम है, तो ये हमारा इक्वेशन सेकेंड है, तो हम m की वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे, so this n into capital M, this will be equal to NAM plus NBMB plus NKMK. Now we will divide by this n. इसको हम n से डिवाइड करेंगे, so on dividing by n we will get capital M equal to NAYN MA plus NBYN MA and so on plus NKYN MK. So because this NAYN
सर एम भी वहां पे होगा ना सर?
yeah, right. So this
सर और एम बी ना सर होगा?
no, not
यहाँ
ma'am.
पे
This is
एम भी
correct.
होगा।
This is correct actually. No, this is correct. Okay. We have divided by this n. Okay. We have divided by this n. So NAYN and etc. This is not NB. This is n only. Okay.
सर एम बी
एम
बी
ए
बोल
की
रहे हैं
जगह
सर, एम ए की जगह सर एम बी होगा ना?
सर जो वहां पर एन बी अपॉन
It
एन
is correct.
एम ए
एन
की है।
It is correct. See it again. NA by NAMA divided by n. So NA by n into MA. What is wrong here?
ओके सर वो सही है, प्लस एन बी अपॉन एन की जगह पे सर एम ए लिखिए तो वहां पे एम बी होगा ना?
Why? NB here no. This will be MB.
यस
This will
सर,
be MB. Okay,
यस
यस
right.
सर,
सर।
Yeah, you can make it
यस
correct
सर,
on your own. Okay, no?
हाँ
No
सर।
problem.
यस सर,
Okay, so that's in the same way. Okay. So this will become XA. Okay,
यस सर,
mole fraction XAMA plus this is XBMB plus XKMK.
एक्स के एम के।
This can be written as summation I equal to A to K XIMI. So we have got the expression for the molecular weight of the mixture in this form. Okay. Also,
यस सर,
also we have got one relation for the R. R is written as YARA plus YBRB plus YKRK etc. So from this equation, now from equation R is equal to by ARA plus by BRB and so on plus YKRK. Also, we know that there is some relation that R naught with the universal gas constant can be written as M into R. Here R is the gas constant and R naught is the universal gas constant. Is the difference. So this R can be written as R naught by M. Clear? Here R naught is a universal
Yes, sir.
gas constant. R naught is a universal gas constant and R is only gas constant. Okay. So for the constant gases, we can also write Ri equal to R naught by Mi for any gas. In general form, we can write here R equal to R naught by M. It is for the mixture. But for any constant gas, in general, we can write Ri equal to R naught by Mi. I may be A, B, C, D, etc. Okay, you clear? So
Yes,
now
sir.
from this equation, because this is the R, so R will become now R naught by M. Is it clear? R will become R naught by M. So I am going here.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is R naught by M will be equal to YA. So
R
YA is same, but RA will become R naught by MA into R naught by MA.
M. Yes, sir.
Okay, plus for the gas B by B into R naught by MB plus so on. This is by K into R naught by
M. K.
MK. So you can see R naught is common. So it will be cancelled out. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
In one more step, we can also write 1 upon M will be equal to uh, this is by A by MA by MA. Okay,
Yes,
plus
sir. Y A
by
upon M.
B upon MB plus by K by MK. Then molecular weight M can be written as 1 upon this is by A by MA plus by B by MB by K by MK.
M. K.
Yeah, so this is the expression for molecular weight,
Yes.
also in terms of the mass fraction. Okay, so we have got these
Yes, sir.
two properties. Uh, First is the gas constant, second is the molecular weight. Third, we are
Molecular.
going to take the next property. This is the internal energy. So next third property, you can write internal energy. Internal energy. This is U, represented by U. Actually, here we are using the Dalton's law. Okay, we are following the Dalton's law.
Dalton.
So here on the basis of Dalton's law, uh, we can write, because in the Dalton's law there is the constant volume as well as temperature. We have already studied. So the
Yes, sir.
total internal energy of the mixture, which is U, this can be written as the summation of internal energy of the constant gas is UA plus UB plus UC and plus UK.
Okay.
Summation of internal energy of all the perfect gases in the mixture. This can be written as summation I equal to
I
A
think
to K, and this is UI.
okay.
It is at the temperature and volume. Temperature and volume will be same in this. Okay?
Same like that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can also represent it on the mass basis. This total energy. So total internal energy on mass basis. First we are taking on mass basis. So actually U will become M into U. U will become M into U, where M is the mass and U is the internal energy per unit mass.
Internal.
Similarly,
Yes.
if we write on the mole basis, then U can be written as N into U. N into U. Okay. So if we write on the mass basis, then this total energy of the mixture M into U is the sum of, इसका क्या sum हो जाएगा? So mass of the constant gas A into UA plus, from this equation UA will become, okay, UA will become MA into UA, MAUA plus this is MBUB plus and so on MKUK, or in general you can write summation I equal to A to K MIUI at temperature and volume having constant, because we have written these equations for the gas mixture. If we write is for any gas, then we can also write UI equal to MIUI. Okay, UI means for any gas. Total energy of the any gas is the product of mass of that gas multiplied by the specific internal energy of that gas, MIUI. So I have taken here for the gas A MAUA from this equation, MIUI. You can write MAUA for the gas B, MBUB for the gas C, MCUC. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Similarly, if we write on the mole basis, so this UI can also be written as NIUI. NIUI.
UI.
Yeah, so I have written here. Now we will divide by the M. इस M से divide करेंगे, then we will get U will be equal to MA by
MA
M
upon.
UA plus MB by M UA and so on. MK by M UK. Okay. So this will give you this U is the internal energy, specific internal energy of the mixture, then that will be equal to, this is by AUA, because it is MA by M is the mass fraction, so by AUA plus by B UB plus by K UK. In this, in the summation form, then written as I equal to A to K by I Pi. So this is the expression for the internal energy of the mixture in this way. Product of the mass fraction and the specific energy of that gas. Okay. Similarly, on a mole basis, this is written on a mass basis. Similarly, on mole basis, this is Nu for the mixture into NaUA plus NDUB plus NKUK dividing by this N, we will get U is equal to Na by NUA, Na by N. Na by N UA plus ND by N UB and so on NK by N UK. UK. So this is finally can be written as U equal to XAUA plus XBUB plus and so on XKUK. This is the form. I'm going to so this is the formula expression for the I'm going to reconnect you again and after 2 minutes when we will complete. Now we take the next property. So the next property is the enthalpy. Enthalpy is denoted by H. So again on the Gibbs-Dalton's law basis, we can write this enthalpy of the mixture H will be equal to summation of enthalpy of all the constant gases HA plus HB plus HK. And this is written over here I equal to A to K HI at temperature and volume. And similar to the earlier one on mass basis, we can write this M into H for the mixture. H will become M into H. So you can take H I equal to M I into H I. And if we write on the mole basis, so this H I will be equal to N I into H I. So this MH equal to MAH plus MBHB and plus MKHK. We will divide by M, MA by M, HA plus MB by M, HB plus MK by M, HK. So that will give you H equal to by A HA plus by B HB plus by K HK. This can be written as A to K by I HI at the temperature and volume. This is the expression for n10 total mixture on mass basis. Similarly, we can write on mole basis also. Similarly, on mole basis, I think you can find it. It is not difficult. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you can write H will be equal to, I'm going to write here XAHA plus XBHB XKHK. Okay, that is summation I equal to A to K XIHI. So this you have to find very simple. Now next term we are going to take the specific heat. I think this is the fifth one. So these specific heats. So specific heats are two. Either it may be CB or CP or CB. It may be CP or it may be CB. Okay. Either term we can find it here. Now, as we know that the two equations which are used and that from this equation mu equal to MAUA plus MBUB. This is for from the equation of the internal energy plus MKUK. But we know that this this term means internal energy U can be written as CVDT. CVDT for the mixture, so you can written as CVDT. So we will substitute here. So this is M into CVDT. M into CVDT for the mixture will be equal to now MAUA. So this is MA. UA will become CBA. DTM बाहर कॉमन लिख देंगे MACBA प्लस फॉर द गैस B similarly we can write MB CBB. MB CBB plus and so on MKCBK and DT here. This DT will be cancelled out, dividing by the M. So this when we divide it, so this will give CB equal to MA by M. This will become by A. MA by M. This will become by A. So directly you can write by A CBA plus by B CBB plus by K CBK. That is equal to summation I equal to A to K by I CBI. We have got expression for CB in this form. In this form we have got the expression. Similarly, we can also write on the mole basis. So similarly on mole basis, Similarly, on mole basis we can write मोल बेसिस में क्या होगा, आप इन प्लेस ऑफ m you write n only, है ना, then you get the expression. So this again cb will be equal to y will be replaced by xa, so xa cba plus xb cbb and so on plus xk cbk, and this is written as summation I equal to a to k xi cbi. Okay, so this is the expression for cb on the mole basis. So mole basis and mass basis we can get in this way. Now, so we have got the expression for the cb, which is the specific heated constant volume. Now second, from equation for enthalpy, m into h, mh is written as mah plus mbhb plus mkhk, but h can be written as cpdt. H can be written as cpdt. Okay. So similarly we can write for any gas, if we write hi, so hi will become cpidt. So from this equation, so this will become now m into h is cpdt, so m cpdt. On the right hand side mah, so m is same ma, but h will become cpadt. So cpa I am going to write here, dt is the common, ma cpa plus mb cpb, mb cpb and plus so on mk cpk. cpk, and this is dt here, so dt and dt will be cancelled out. Now we will divide by the m, so this cp will be equal to, because ma by m, so it will become by a, so this is by a cpa plus by b cpb plus by k cpk. So that is equal to summation I equal to a to k yi cpi. So we have got this relation for the specific heat at constant pressure. Similarly, on mole basis, we can find Cp will be equal to XA Cpa plus XB Cpb plus XK Cpk. That is equal to summation I equal to A to K Xi Cpi. Okay. And the last property is the entropy. It is the sixth. Entropy is left by S. So this can also be written on the basis of the Dalton's law. This S will be equal to SA plus SB plus and so on plus SK. That is equal to summation.
सर क्लास का टाइम हो गया सर.
Just wait for 2 minutes more. You can be late on the next class. Not a problem. This is
Okay, sir.
SI, temperature and volume. Okay. So here on mass basis, you can attend that class 2 minutes late. It's not a problem. You can do that.
Okay, sir.
So this M into S on mass basis, M into S, this can be written as MASA plus MBSB plus MKSK.
Yes.
Okay. So dividing by M, we will get this M equal to YASA YASA plus YBSB similarly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
YBSB by KSK. Okay, so you can also write here the summation I equal to A to K by ISI. Similarly, you can write on mole basis. Okay. Similarly, on mole basis, जो आपने किया है बहुत सिंपल है, सभी टर्म में किया है तो आप सेल पे लिख सकते हैं आप, है ना. S will become here XASA plus XBSB plus XK
Yes, yes.
SK. So
Yes,
that is equal to
Summation
I equal to A to K and XI SI, है ना. This is T and V. So
yes, sir.
these two expression we have got. Okay. एक आप यूज कर सकते हैं. And the last one is the change of entropy. How we can write change of entropy? So we will also use the laws which we have used in the second law. Just write change of entropy, the part of this change of entropy, because in the entropy change of entropy is important. So for the change of entropy we can write S2 minus S1. So that can be written as summation. This is I, and in bracket we can write here yi S2 minus S1. And this change of entropy by I by 1 can be written as from the earlier equations summation. This is I, and this is by I CPI, and integrating from T1 to T2 dt by t minus summation I again here by I ri and log pi2 by pi1. ये आपको पता होगा कि हम पहले एंट्रोपी की इक्वेशन निकाला था. इसमें हमारा क्या होता है कि आप लिखते हैं कि CP log CP dt होता है माइनस R log P2 by P1. वहां से हमने लिखा हुआ है इक्वेशन. ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
इक्वेशन आप
Yes,
सेकंड
sir.
को एक बार देख लीजिए. तुमने इसको वहीं इसके फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है. तो ये मैंने लिख दिया आपको किसके फॉर्म में. इट इज द मास फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में. सिमिलरली इट कैन आल्सो बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द मोल फ्रैक्शन. So that can also be written as S2 minus S1
Oh,
equals
yes, sir.
to,
In
yeah, summation I. So this will become XI
XI, S2 minus S1
S2 minus S1.
S1.
This
equals
is
summation I,
yeah, summation I by I.
XI.
Sorry,
XI, sir.
yeah, XI. Yeah, make it correct. So this is xi. This is from
Yes, sir.
T1 to T2.
dt upon t.
Just to replace here by I by xi. This is xi. This is from T1 to T2 dt by t minus summation I x I
xi
r
rn log
this is
pi2
pi2 by
upon
upon
pi1.
pi.
pi2 by
Yes, sir.
just to pi2 by pi1.
pi1.
तो आपको एक एक्सप्रेशन आपको ये मिल जाएगा है ना। और आपने अगर एक और एक्सप्रेशन पढ़ा था उसका आप यूज करके यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट, आप लिख लेना। एक और आप जानते हैं कि जैसे S2 माइनस S1 होता है, दैट इज इक्वल टू, एक हमारे CP के फॉर्म में हमने लिख लिया, एक हमारा क्या CV के फॉर्म में भी होता है। ऐसे फॉर्म में हमारा होता है CV, ये लॉग होता है आपका ये
Log.
T2 by T1
Oh,
T1.
yes, sir.
एंड
Yes.
प्लस R log दैट इज V2 by V1।
V. Yes, and V2 by V.
तो वी कैन, अगर इसको हम इस फॉर्म लेकर तो हम अगेन लिख सकते हैं, दिस इज द लास्ट
Yes,
वन।
sir, कर सकते हैं.
ओके या दिस इज कैन बी रिटन एज समेशन I by I S2 minus S1 which is equal to, this is summation I, it will become by I हो जाएगा CBI। ओके CBI, और आपका ये लॉग है, सो वी कैन राइट फ्रॉम T1 टू T2
Yes, okay.
dt
Log t2.
हाँ प्लस समेशन आई, ये दिस इज बाई आई आर आई
R.
है ना,
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
बाई आर आई एंड लॉग vi2 by
Summation
vi1,
VY.
vi2 by vi1।
Yes, sir.
So in this way we can write the change of entropy also, है ना। You can also write using the mole fraction। Okay, in this
Yes,
way
sir.
Yes.
this unit is over, just we have to solve the numericals, we will do in our next class। Okay, thank you for
Yes,
giving
sir.
the